Okay, YouTube, since I'm on the show and tell mode, I figured I'd show you guys my 152 based hydroplane that I have built. It's based off of a saucy shingle or tiny titan. It came out in the Popular Mechanics magazine. So this one I think measures 19 inches long, something about that. It is set up with the earlier TFL outboard with the cable flex cable drive, and then I made the steering bar here for it. Then it has a water pickup off of this back corner underneath. Comes up in a tube there, goes into the motor, and then exits out the far side there. Then I've got the lines wires running up front into up here, which has the speed controller up front and the battery in there as well. We'll open that in just a second. And then the steering bar here goes down and has a pulley that I made myself here, and goes into a tiny tube which goes into the front end. And then I have the 3D printed steering wheel here with the rope that's glued to the tube to make it appear as though the cables go from the steering wheel to the motor. And then if we pop this open here, I've got another water pickup underneath the corner of the sponson here. Comes up, goes through the Hobby King 50 amp ESC there, goes through that, comes around and out right here. Then I've got the tube there for the steering rope, runs around the servo there, and then out the other side through the pulley there to the opposite side of the motor. HS 77BB high-tech servo with the minimalist amount of room that you have in the hydro. It's a low-profile, high-torque servo to get the job done. Running a 3S 2200 milliamp battery on this, and on my maiden voyage of it, my guy here wasn't in it, luckily. It was a different radio and got out of control and put a nice little scar in it at the front, blew open the front end, and destroyed the original prop on the motor. So I got it all sealed back up and repaired, and just haven't gotten a chance to get out for another run to see how well it goes. Got the 3D printed bow handle on it, and the 3D printed rear deck handle, or rear transom handles there on it. And yep, 3D printed Quincy throttle as well. So that's my that's the other side of the cover here that just goes into the front there and locks in. A little stiff. I'll get that in a minute. So yeah, that's the 152 VO based hydro. It's all custom built by myself, based off of plans from Popular Mechanics, and I think I got the plans somewhere online for them. Alright, see you later.